Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share a Turkish recipe named Karniyarik, which is stuffed eggplant. This dish is incredibly delicious and nutritious. Eggplants are rich in antioxidants, support heart health, aid in weight loss, help regulate blood sugar levels, and may reduce cancer risk due to their high fiber, potassium, and vitamin content. I have grown these eggplants in my home garden, and it feels great to use fresh produce. To start, wash the eggplants thoroughly and let them dry. For the recipe, we need minced chicken or beef. In a pot, heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and add 3 medium sliced onions, sautéing them for 3 minutes. Then, add the minced chicken and stir to cook. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, mix well, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Season with 1 teaspoon each of salt, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, and coriander, mixing well. Now, add 3 to 4 medium-sized sliced tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon each of chili garlic paste, soy sauce, and a bowl of tomato paste or ketchup, and cook for 2 more minutes. The chicken filling is now ready. Cut the eggplants in half and roast them over a flame until they become soft. This process will enhance the flavor. If you prefer, you can roast them in an oven at a high temperature. Also, roast some fresh tomatoes and green chilies. For the sauce, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot and add 2 cloves of cut garlic, frying until golden brown. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato paste and 1 cup of water, cooking for 3 minutes. You can also add 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce and chili garlic sauce. The sauce is now ready. To assemble, oil a baking tray and place the roasted eggplants on it. Stuff each eggplant with the cooked chicken filling and add green chilies and roasted tomatoes for extra flavor. Pour the prepared sauce over the stuffed eggplants and bake in an oven or microwave for at least 20 minutes. Your Turkish dish, Karniyarik, is now ready to be enjoyed, preferably with boiled rice. I hope you like my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with others. Thank you so much.